Hey guys, what's going on? What is going on? Another trade lesson video for everybody. This is Street Trading here, looking at a 15-minute chart of info. Industrial sector. Let's get right into it. So, look at this. This is what we talk about some cliff diving here. This is what we say: stairs up, elevator down. So, what are we looking at here? The boys have been pushing this thing higher. People have been buying this thing up and consecutively for months, right? So, when you listen, prices aren't always going to go forever. So whenever you start to see that backside print, you got to get involved, because now you're going to start having some profit taking. Any boys that are holding this long of a run, they're going to start to add fuel to the sell-off when they start profit taking. And going into that, obviously, shitty numbers, shitty reports brings more, emotions out of long-term holders, believers, and what happens? Elevator down, right? So anyway, we had that sell-off on Tuesday session. It sold off, and it just pretty much consolidated into the lows, closed with the low of the day, which is just its textbook continuation you can get. So Wednesday session, obviously going into pre-market. Obviously, we had this on our Trade Ideas video. If you didn't check that, go check that. Well, too late now, but if you want to go check that out. If you didn't catch the video, go check it out and see what we were talking about as far as our game plan. And right now, I'll tell you, it was literally textbook. We had a target that we lined up. It reached our target to the penny. Our game plan to the penny. Everything about this trade was very, very clean. It's just like the lemonade trade, LMND. Guys, you got to plan your trades out. And just because you plan your trades out doesn't mean it's going to unfold that way. But then you don't get involved. Just because the market's running doesn't mean you got to start clicking buttons and getting into a position. That's the biggest misconception about this business is, the market's running, so I'm a trader, so I got to get involved, right? I got to start. I got to work. No, that's not how it works, guys. That's not That's not at all how it is. Trading is waiting. You got to wait for what you plan to happen. If it doesn't pan out, then you don't trade. That's it. You didn't plan for it to happen, then you're not getting involved. You shouldn't get involved. Otherwise, you're a gambler, all right? That's not what we do here. So, let's get into how we trade this thing, why we trade this thing, why we set our target the way where we set it. I mean, all this stuff is textbook, and more textbook, guys. It was just a beautiful, beautiful continuation. A lot of volume coming in previous session. I mean, there was a lot of things talking about why this thing is going to continue to sell off, and it did. All right, and it did. All right, so let's get into some levels here, how we ended up trading this thing, and it was just a fucking beauty. All right. All right, let's get into it.